Alright guys, so hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. So today quickly I want us to learn how to pipe a senator neck. Okay, I will show you how to pipe it, the best and simplest method ever. Alright, and also this is a new channel where I am teaching people on how to start and grow their YouTube channel, and I'm also sharing my experience there. So if you want to know how to start and grow your YouTube channel, please check the link in the description below. Alright, and subscribe to the channel and follow me. Alright, so thank you so much. Let's get to the class. Thank you. Alright, so guys, this is the senator top I'm designing. This is the top I'm designing. Alright, so we're going to measure the size of this neck and then we'll go into the fixing. Alright, so if I hold this neck into 2 and I measure it, I'm having a length of 9. Okay, 9 plus 9, that is 18. So this is the fabric we're using for our neck. This is the good side, this is the bad side. Alright, so we're going to fold it in a way that it will stretch. If I fold it straight, it won't stretch well, even this way. But if I hold the fabric slanty, you see it will stretch. So we're going to hold it this way. Okay, mind you, we measured our neck and we got 18. We measured our neck and we got 18. Alright, this is our neck here. Alright, if you measure it, you will have 9. Okay, divided by 2, that is 18. Okay, so it means this that we are folding here should be up to 18. So this is 20. It's okay, and the wideness should be just 1.25 inches. See, big 1 inch is fine. The wideness should be just what? 1 inch. The wideness is 1 inch. Okay, alright. The next thing is for us to open it this way, and we'll apply water so that, this is a crepe fabric. We'll apply water so that the fabric doesn't squeeze up. So we're going to open like this and like this. Can you see this? And we'll iron it to close like this. Can you see this? The next thing is to bring our hemming gum. Alright, and we'll put our hemming gum inside. Alright, open this, place our hemming gum inwards. Okay, then we'll iron it back. Alright, make sure this is closed properly. Okay, is to now fold this. When you're folding this way, make sure one side is wider than the other. Can you see this way? Now at the same time, we are going to be turning it like this. That's what I'm doing. I'm going to be turning it, making it round. Can you see this? Just observe very well. I'm going to be turning this, turning this, turning this, turning this, turning this. So in order to prevent this is the good face. In order to prevent this good face from staining, I will turn and press on the down part. Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle water. All right. Neck is ready to be fixed, so we'll go to the machine and we'll fix it. All right, so now guys, watch carefully how we are going to fix this piping. Okay, so you see this part that is smaller will be up, the down part which is wider a bit will be down. All right, put it this way. Run a top stitch on it. So guys, we are going to double these stitches. Alright, double them like 2 more lines. We just double these stitches. Just double these stitches like 2 more lines. Okay. Then we'll stitch one last line in the center. Alright guys, so as you can see, we are done stitching this neck. We are done with this neck. If you enjoy watching this video, hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on so that whenever I drop amazing contents like this, you will be notified. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you so much.